Good morning, class. This is Ms. Montes. We'll be using Google Classroom and Achieve 3000 until April 27th. So go ahead and make sure you have your Google Classroom set up, sign in. It is posted in the Martin High School website, and it is also was sent to you and your parents through email. Okay, so for today, please go ahead and log in to your Achieve 3000 accounts. Then you're going to click on the following article and activity: good, bad, or ugly. So you do have your 5-step lesson that is due today. Okay, so if you go to classwork, you're able to click on the assignment. Okay, so let's look at the instructions. Read the following article and activity and complete the before reading poll, article, activity, after reading poll, thought question, poll results, math, stretch article, and stretch activity as well. So that is going to be submitted through Achieve 3000. However, you do have 2 other assignments that you're going to be submitting through here through Google Classroom. So you have your vocabulary activity. I included the 2 vocabulary words. Using the 2 vocabulary words, forestall and skeptic, write a complete sentence for each word and write in which page of the article they came out in. So that's here. You would view your assignment and you would submit. Okay, you do have another assignment that's due today. Okay, so please watch the instructional video. It is linked to your Achieve article. After you watch the video, answer the following questions and submit them here on Google Classroom. The 2 questions that you have to answer are: what is the main idea of the video, and what did you learn from watching the video? So you would click on the video and it's going to show you, it's a very short clip, but it is connected to your Achieve article for today. It's titled The Story of Fresh Produce as a Giant Eagle Supermarket. Okay, so once you watch the video, you're going to answer these 2 questions. What is the main idea of the video? And what did you learn from watching the video? And you would submit here. I want you to submit through Google Classroom because it's easier for me to input the grade. However, you can send it on Remind. You can also email it to me through my email, but I would prefer that you just click the link here. It is easiest to do. So make sure to submit your assignment by today before midnight. So you have the story of fresh produce, your Achieve 3000 article, good, bad, or ugly, and your vocabulary activity that are due today. Now the persuasive essay that was due last week. I will help you as much as I can, but please try to submit on time. Thank you and have a great day, class.